Hello all. So today I'm here to demonstrate on how you can how you can add your assignments or your day-by-day assignments for your internship. So this is the structure of the repository that you shall be following. So you will have the main repository, and here you will have the README file. So here you need to specify the details of your assignment, or sorry, I mean the details of your internship, like what this repository is about, such as if this repository you are using to keep your assignments of the first week of the internship, such as the design part of design week of your internship. You need to specify that here, or if you are using for the verification or BFT, respectively, that also you have to specify in this repository. Next, you have to also clearly mention the file structure of this repository, like what each folder contains inside this repository. Now, inside the repository, for each day, you have to create a day folder. That means if you are doing the assignment of day one, you need to create a folder known as day one. Next, inside that day folder, you may have multiple assignments a day. You need to create assignments for each folder. So imagine that for day one, you got the assignment Ripple carry order. So you just create a folder, Ripple carry adder. Yeah, you just need to create a folder like that. Now you need to create a design folder where all your design files shall go, as well as the top module. They should all go in the design folder, and the test bench folder should contain the test bench file. That means the TB top or any other TB test bench module that you are using. Now, inside this assignment folder, beyond this design and test bench, you can also add the documentation for that particular assignment, such as you can add any diagrams, test cases, or anything you wish to showcase for this particular assignment. So for that, you just need to create a .mt file. If you are doing RCA, so you just need to create a file called as rca.md, and you can add the diagrams or test cases or anything you wish to showcase other than the code regarding this assignment here. Yeah. Now I will show you how can you use a template repo along with a template repo to do all these submissions. Now, one thing to notice that GitHub is a version control platform. The thing that I'm trying to specify is that all your pushes shall be properly logged in that. That means the time and date of submissions shall be logged properly in that. So we will consider, if you have any deadline for your assignments, we will consider only the latest assignment you published in that deadline for evaluation. Further submissions shall not be considered given that you have a deadline. Now, now you need to go to the template repository. So I will share the link of the template repository. So this is the template repository here. I had created a folder for day one, and the assignments of the day one are the assignments of the and the structure of the day one is also kept here. This is just for your reference. Now I will show you how can you create a folder, or like how can you use this report to upload your works. So for that, you need to click on use this template and click create a new repository. Just name it design assignment. You can name anything, but I prefer you to follow a standard naming. I'm just naming it design assignment, just giving it my name. Just give some standard names so that you can easily map it back. Now you can just give a brief description of what this repository is all about, and this is completely optional, not at all mandatory. Now you can either make your repository public or private, but if you are making your repo private, make sure that you add me as your collaborator. I will share my GitHub ID along with this. But I prefer that you keep your repository public for this case. Now you just need to hit on create repository. Now you can see that a new repo is created and all the details from the template repo has been carried forward. Now I will show you how to create a new folder in this repository for uploading your day two works, and as works here. You just need to click on create new file. Now if you need to add the assignment of day two, you just need to type in day two slash. You can see that a folder is automatically created. Now I am just naming creating another folder called assignment 3. Now you should never name your folder like that. Example, if you are doing the assignment for say ripple counter, ring counter, or a Johnson counter, or a normal counter, you just need to name it like counter and give a slash. So for just for reference, I'm just giving it assignment 3 and creating that new folder. Now inside that you need to create two folders, the design folder and the test bench folder. Now first initially I'm going to create the design folder. You just need to type in design slash, and all your design files should come here. So I'm just giving top.v here, and you can just commit the change, and you just hit commit change. Next thing you can do is that you need to create a test bench folder. For that, you need to come back to the assignment 3 directory in the repository. So one more thing, that inside this top.v, you can just paste your code here. Now, if you need to edit any files you had made, you just need to open that particular file and click on edit this file. Okay. So that's all. Now, if you need to add the test bench, you just need to create a new file. Just type in tb slash name of your test bench. I'm just typing here tb underscore top.v, and you commit the change. Now, as said before, apart from the codes, the Verilog codes, you can also showcase your the documentation of this particular assignments inside this directory itself. You can create a new file. Just type in the name of your assignment. Say if you are doing counter, you just need to type counter.md. So I'm just typing here assignment 3.md. Now you can enter the details or the test cases of your assignment here. If you have any diagrams related to this assignments, you can just drag it and drop it inside this. It will automatically upload to the server. Now you can easily format it. You need not know the .md syntax for formatting it. You just, after you enter all your details and upload the files, which will be uploaded as a link here. You just need to copy that code, entire part to the chat GPT, and ask it to format it suitable for an MD for for a .md file. You can use any AI, Gen AI tools for that, and just commit the change. Yeah. So this is how you should create the folders to add your work. Now, one thing you should notice, that one of your evaluation criteria itself is documentation. So make sure that you document your repository well, and make sure that you submit the assignments on time. So enjoy learning. Thank you.